Look at us. I wanted to just do. Oh my goodness. Are you sure? You want to wait in line? It looks like it might be worth it.
Maybe tomorrow,
Okay.
Or maybe like a weekend.
That's what
or weekday.
That's what I was trying to ask a minute ago. It's like I wonder if.
Like when people have to work.
Let me finish.
Sorry.
I wonder if they're on a weekday or if it's just the weekend. Just park down here and walk it.
Is that what you want to do?
No.
Oh.
No.
Yeah.
No, Evelyn. Don't say the opposite. I'm going to get in line too.
Can't believe I still remember how you do it.
They're going too. There's a whole car full of family.
That's just crazy that these people are going this way with the block, I think. And this one's going that way.
That's nice because you can have two rows going at the same time, you know?
Yes and no, they're blocking. Like,
Yeah.
oh, wasn't that fun? Look at them all.
You can see them from between the houses. Look at there, peekaboo. I see through.
Oh, they gave up. Oh.
Oh, that's the line.
Once our car gets behind you in the line, it's permanent.
Yeah.
Stay there.
You don't think you could pull out?
It'd be dangerous, huh?
Glittering. Her steering wheel cover.
As he shakes his head, no.
Evie, what's Barnes and Noble? Well, Barnes used to be my last name. You don't know what that story is, though? 'Cause you